9 best food diets for people dealing with piles. Piles or high hemorrhoids are a medical condition that causes the veins around your rectum and lower anus to swell. Symptoms of piles include pain and discomfort during and after passing stools while sitting and standing up, painful lumps in and around the anus, and bloody stools. Piles can be both internal and external. Internal piles cannot always be diagnosed during the external examination. However, they sometimes may protrude out of the anus region, as in the case of external hemorrhoids. Pile is a disease that is not exactly rare. However, the symptoms can sometimes be easily missed, as they are not always detectable and obvious. With surgery, piles can be removed. However, if your condition is not severe, your doctor may recommend some medicines, lifestyle, and dietary changes that will help you cope with the condition. This will shed light on the types of food you should eat to deal with piles more effectively. The information on the Fine Health channel is offered solely for general and educational reasons and does not replace professional medical guidance or treatment. For any ailments or medical concerns you may have, please get advice from a physician. 9 best food diets to cope with piles. Piles are a rather painful condition that causes discomfort when you are sitting or even standing. Fortunately, several food items can help reduce the risk factors of piles, constipation, bloating, and other digestive issues from occurring in the first place. Legumes. By making sure you are getting enough fiber in your diet daily, you can reduce the chances of piles flare-ups. There are essentially 2 kinds of fiber that can be derived from food: soluble and insoluble. The soluble fiber forms a gel in your digestive tract and can be digested by friendly bacteria. On the other hand, insoluble fiber helps bulk up your stool. Legumes include beans, lentils, peas, soybeans, peanuts, and chickpeas that are loaded with both kinds of fiber, but are especially rich in the soluble type. Lentils and other legumes can bulk up your stool, making it less likely that you have to strain when going to the bathroom. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, vegetables like cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, bok choy, kale, arugula, tulips, cabbage, and radishes are known for having an immense amount of insoluble fiber. Cruciferous vegetables like these contain a plant chemical called glucosinolate that can easily be broken down by gut bacteria, thus promoting easy stool passing and reducing symptoms of a new flare-up of piles. Root vegetables, turnips, beets, rutabagas, carrots, sweet potatoes, and potatoes are root vegetables. They keep you full for a long time and are extremely nutritious. Besides, they are full of gut-friendly fiber. For example, cooked and cooled white potatoes contain a kind of carbohydrate known as resistant starch, which passes through your digestive tract undigested. Similar to soluble fiber, they help feed your gut bacteria and pass stool easily. Bell peppers, packed with vitamins like vitamin C and minerals. Bell peppers are also a great option while adding fiber to your diet. A cup of mild bell peppers contains about 2 grams of fiber. With a water content of about 93%, bell peppers are also very hydrating and help with clear stool passing. Whole grains. Similar to legumes, whole grains are a nutritional powerhouse as they retain their germ, bran, and endosperm, all of which are loaded with fiber content. Whole grains are known to be rich in insoluble fiber. The benefit of insoluble fiber is that since they cannot be digested, they add volume to your stool and help you excrete with ease, with less pain and discomfort that comes with piles. Spelt, quinoa, barley, brown rice, oats, whole rye, and corn are some beneficial whole grains. For example, you can prepare and consume oatmeal to reduce symptoms of piles. Oatmeal contains a special soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which benefits your gut microbiome by acting like a prebiotic, which in turn feeds the healthy gut bacteria and helps you excrete with ease. Squash. This vegetable brings life and color to your plate, while also feeding you with an immense amount of fiber. There are various kinds of squash like pumpkin, acorn squash, yellow squash, butternut squash, and zucchini. Orange squash has the highest amount of fiber, about 9 grams in every cup of this vegetable. 205 grams, sautéed, roasted or boiled squashes may help ward off any symptoms of piles. Bananas, they are an ideal addition to your diet to calm piles symptoms. Loaded with pectin and resistant starch, a single banana provides an average of 3 grams of fiber. The combination of pectin and resistant starch helps in clearing stool easily. Tomatoes contain loads of fiber optic and have good water content. It aids in easing symptoms of constipation by making you strain less while passing bowels. Tomatoes contain a natural antioxidant called naringenin that, according to some scientists, has a laxative effect on constipation. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapes are rich in vitamin C. The inner skin of these fruits beneath the outer layer has a lot of fiber. Citric fruits have ample water content that softens stools. Like tomatoes, citrus fruits also contain naringenin, a natural compound that has a laxative effect. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos.